prostituta. Tifa. Hey! Mbenuku. Hey! Close my window, see what happen. See what you wait to go on that room. Hey! Sisi Lota! Come back. Sisi Lota! Where she dey? Make you come see what I tell you say I dey see.
What is it?
Sisi Lota, come.
Now who they here? Is it that nobody's in this house?
Yo? Who's that? Who they there?
Sorry, can you hear me?
Answer who you?
Which kind accent with this? Sabina, na computer.
What are you waiting for?
I better open the door. Now informer they knock.
What are you looking for? Tell me, who are you looking for?
I say na informer. You say what are you looking for? Now question and answer they go. I be na who they talk?
Madam?
Na computer.
If I open this, make a band. I'm telling you. If I open that, make a band.
You say waiting?
I said if I open that, make a band.
Make you what?
Make a band.
Now who they talk to me? I be na computer. Now where you there now?
Can you listen to me? I said if I open that, make a band.
What is? I know they hear wetin you dey talk.
You know they hear Oyibo. I say if I open the gate, I go bend. You dey mad?
Wait, so you sabi even speak normal? You dey speak Abakaleke wetin they call am phonetic accent. Na me informer you dey speak. So na bend be that thing wey they call make a bound. Make I tell you. Na me be baby na uwelele. If you don't know me, make you know me today. Na me be baby na uwelele. I go enter this gate and you go bound. Open this gate. You say you go make a bound.
Madam, listen. If you hit that again, I'm gonna call your hair. You're the man.
See, you better be saying a computer they talk this thing because anybody when they talk this thing when they just they insult me anyhow, you go see. Open this gate.
I said not gonna hit that gate. You know the hear what? You know the craze.
I don't enter this gate finish you. Whether you like them or not, I don't come to stay. Nobody go come out me from here. So open this gate. Make I
said not gonna hit that gate again. You the mad? You want me to come down hit you?
Hey.
You want me to come down hit you? Who you look for?
Now waiting they talk. I want see that computer where they talk to me for here.
I'm gonna call your hair, man. You know her? No.
You know how this guy they insult me. They say make a bound today. See, I don't finish you. Bring her. Leave me. Now me, this rat. She's even rat. You don't even reach to speak you. You don't reach anything, no. Now me, you don't say that me be like well. I swear. You don't die.
See, you go away.
Leave me.
You're mad. You're crazy. You're mad.
No, you see they talk.
Yes.
You know say na fight they use the chop food for village. Now fighting today. I go beat you. I go hear you. Wait. Which one is your God of you? What's it concern me and your order? Scholar. You sure I say I said check in charge. Informer. You know say this girl no say me I dey fight for village, oh. Scholar. Now fight they use the chop for village. See, I go beat you today. Okay. Now my bag she dey do computer.
What's in the bag?
What is in the bag? Now my bag she do what's in the bag?
You have not told me what you are doing here.
I beg no more holidays. They show me what am I doing here? I've come to stay now. You say what am I doing here? You see you.
You say you? What you say? I can't hear you. You speak Spanish.
Your voice. When you say pass,
You see, tell this girl to
What are you doing? Who gave you my address?
I find her now.
Sissy, that's her.
Avoid me.
Tell her.
Avoid me.
Her, okay? I'm gonna deal with her.
Avoid me. Because I go kill you
I'm gonna deal
today.
with her. I'm gonna call your hair. I'm gonna call your hair. You see you?
She's still talking.
I'm gonna call your hair.
She's aggravating me. You're still talking.
Nonsense. Nonsense. You see, I should be your father.
You dey hide me. You know say your own na calm case. My friend Lota don't tell me say make I no shout. Now, if you say you be soldier, you be police, oya come. Make I show you say I be wrestler.
You too, come. Come. If I dey come, you dey come.
Oh yeah, they come.
One leg.
They come. Ngwadia. Yeah.
One leg again.
Ngwadia. Come. No, just come. I don't want to make it day noisy. I just want to show you how I dey wrestle. Oh yeah, one, two, three, go. What are you doing?
I go to wipe am.
Hey,
Hey man.
this girl no dey respect herself. They say na me be the problem.
See, make I tell you, in case of people where you know go they carry come where they get your daily bread. I dey tell you. Because this kind person will take your bread, take your bakery, even put everything for fire. I'm telling you.
You still get mouth. It's okay. No, na because say you say make I no shout oh. She still get mouth, they talk. Oga is sleeping. If he wakes up and hears you people, it's over. Oh yeah, Tom, let's go inside, please. I don't like this thing where you
It's
do.
okay.
I know they like this thing where you they do. Why you go hold me like that? Why you go hold this little chinky? On a second sense, see, let me tell you, I will deal with you in this house. You see this house? Hey.
Go on for your eyes.
If no young one well, oh, it's one man. It's one man. Okay. You're going to spoil things if Oga wakes up. Please go. Please go. I don't Don't worry. You see, they call yourself scholar. Scholarship you never get, and you no go ever get scholarship. You see, you no go ever get scholarship for this scholar.
Me?
Which is
Me, where scholarship they wait for?
You can never get scholarship. You no go feel happy. Let's go. Don't worry. I'll deal with you. Idiot. Open a second step. I told you.
No suckable.
That stupid girl. It's okay. She's very lucky. It's okay. No, they tell me she. I know they like that. Jesus. Chekwero. Wait. What is it? Hey! Bring that. My God. This place is fine. It's fine well. Okay. Eh?
See, it's here that you're going to stay. This is my room. Stay here. Let me go and tell Oga. Let's just pray he agrees. You have to stay here till whenever I discuss with him.
What thing you mean be say?
Bring down your voice now. You see, that's my
I know they like this way. You know say I get loud voice. I know they like am.
Bring it down.
I don't bring am down. Bring it down. See, Lota, everything where you talk, I take am. But you see that way they say, make I pray. Make God touch your heart. Make him accept me. For what? Why I go pray? Your guys is see me like this. You no say me, I be helpless child. We need help. Yes now. As you see me, go no say, this one need better help. Make we help him. You say make I pray. No, they pray anything. When go help me, whether I like it or not. Oh man, boy, when you're balamusu. Mbanam. Ha!
Ifoma Chuku. You've not changed though.
Why will I change? No, tell me why I will change. When God, for way day for heaven, carry me, put on my mama belly. He say, make I go to the world and be a former. He did not say I should go there and change, oh. So there's no way I will change, oh. But see, Lota, I'm very, very angry with you. And I'm very, very disappointed in you. You're not a good person at all. So now this place, this empire, this whole mansion. No, they tell me make I stop. I know they like that thing. This whole mansion, now where you they live? See your room now. Eh? You even carry that church rat. Go put for gate. If they kidnap him, you no go know. My job now, waiting you carry go give that small rat. You dey here, they enjoy. Only you. See, remember, oh, anybody where they chop alone, they go die alone. So if you won't die, you no come here.
I think you're misunderstanding me. Eh? The problem is my boss. He know the worker. He's handicapped, so he needs my help all the time. Then the little time I get for myself, I'm in school. So which time? I'm always at the university if I'm not at home.
You're in university? School?
Yes.
Hey.
Actually, I dey go open university. For DNA I dey so. You don't notice say I don't speak better grammar.
I see am. Wait, so you mean say you dey open university?
Yes.
And you in 300
level. Wow. 300 level.
Your levels don't change you. Hey! And that's your... Oh, no problem. I don't know whether na cage you can't cage me for years. Hey, which kind of thing be this now? So that's your organ than work. You know they work. Ah.
It's okay. It's okay. It's my job. I don't mind.
Hey, no wahala. My own be say I don't come, be say I don't come. I know they go anywhere again. Hey! If I'm all very no.
I will tell my uncle first. You're not the one to determine if you will stay or not. But I will beg him. Oh?
It's nothing like begging.
Look,
I'm happy for you. You're now in a university. Next year you go graduate. Ha!
Thank you. Thank you.
No problem.
It's enough of the talk. Because if I leave you, you will talk and talk.
No, just one that get where they down there.
No problem.
Because now my job where
come
she
and have your shower. There is bathroom here.
Okay.
I get bathroom for inside room.
You don't see them now. Now you they enjoy, but that place we they use latrine. Now latrine we they use for village.
Don't worry, yeah.
Hey,
ma go prepare something for you.
Lota. Oh. This place also a wedge.
Welcome.
We follow well.
I will come.
Hey, make I enter.
Bring that down. Make up notice. Yeah. If I discuss with her, finish.
No one.
Oh, I dey come.
If you want, if you
welcome.
Oh, what? I feel like I can make it AC blow me. This place is fine, well. This place is fine.
Ify, Ifeoma. Is it my towel you are? Whose towel is this?
I see her for bathroom. I say make I use them.
No, now. Why would you use my towel? Why?
But for village, we they use the same towel.
You and who?
No be me and you they go swim. We go swim. After swimming, we know they use the same towel. What did they talk? I don't understand.
This is not hygienic. Now, this is not hygienic. Why would you use my towel? If you had wanted towel, you should have told me.
Ha!
Or better still, use your clothes.
My clothes. It be like say this university where you dey go now. Person no go hear what they gave for you. Which kind thing be this now?
Is this your brush?
No, I see am for bathroom.
Hey! Ify. Why would you use my toothbrush?
Which one you won't make I use now? You say make I go inside bathroom, go enjoy myself. I
did
in
not
there.
say go and enjoy yourself. I said go and have your shower. I did not say use my things.
Is there any difference?
These are my personal things. You don't share it because of jams.
Me and you, they use toothbrush for village. Remember? Me and you, they use the same towel for village. Because say you don't constitute, don't they go university. You dey 300 level. I no go hear what they gain.
That's not what I'm saying. All I'm saying is that personal belongings are personal. You don't need to share it. I'm not supposed to share it with you or anybody.
I'm outsider. I'm outsider now.
It's not,
no problem.
No.
Make I go drop am.
Wait now, wait.
No, make I go drop am.
No. It's not like I'm shouting at you. Just that when it comes to towel, toothbrush, pants, bra, all those things that a woman should have on her own, it's personal. You don't share it. Even earring, all those things, we're not supposed to share it. Okay?
No concern me. For village, everybody use the same thing, everything. You know how we dey do am now. If you see towel, you just carry and they go. See brush, you just put paste, they brush, they go. Who get time to be saying, let us change personal belonging, hygiene, this one? I no dey for that one.
Okay, it's okay.
I no dey.
I brought food for you.
You brought food for me?
Hey, what?
Potato.
Potato and stew.
Hey! I talk am. I talk am.
Hey, if you chop this one finish, for night I go bring fufu for you.
Wait. You mean say, if I chop this one finish, no. Small time, I go chop another one.
Apple, hot one.
Hey! I talk and say this place white day. Enjoyment! Enjoyment go kill me! He go kill me! I talk and make I dey enjoy myself.
What is wrong with you? See the thing in your mouth. You've not washed your mouth now.
It concern you. If they make I chop and finish. Make you bring another one. Make I dey chop the go.
Hey, wait. Leave am. Go wash your mouth first. Go see now. This is still dey your mouth. Go clean am.
I know they like
The
this
food
your
dey
hygiene.
here. Na hygiene, yes. Go.
But I go chop another one.
Apple and egusi.
Hey! Because make sure you put elo. You know that's elo where they do like this mushroom. I want mushroom.
Go. The food is here.
I will leave am. I will come. But I go chop another one very soon.
Apple and egusi.
I talk out. I talk out. You see that enjoy my way they enjoy. I dey call enjoy. Hey, I talk out.
You see that thing you just did now? Don't you ever repeat it again. Do you understand?
When I help, I dey try help you. As I see am, she be like person wey fit swallow person. I say make her just tell am something. She begin dey holler.
Who told you you're in the position to insult my guest?
No be say I dey insult am, but na she first start am o. I say because this girl, you need to dey careful of this girl o. She fit do you something wey you no go like.
No, just try am. No, try am.
Sorry o.
Look at you. Insult as big as she is, you're not scared. Where are your manners? What am I even teaching you in this house? You're challenging her. You want to fight. So if I leave your hand now, you're going to win, Abby. You think you feel beat am?
Wow. Vex. But Oga no say you carry that kind person come this house.
Mind your business. It's none of your business. You will not go to your post. Scholar? 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 My friend, will you come out here? Come out here. What were you doing at Oga's door?
Oga's door.
Answer me, what were you doing at Oga's door? Because we are just there now. What were you doing at Oga's door?
I don't go Oga's door. I don't go Oga's door.
You know there is nothing that I hate more than lies, right? What were you doing at Oga's door? Because I just saw you now.
Nothing. I just go there, go greet Oga. Just a knock. Make her tell am good morning.
So you want to lie? Scholar, so you want to lie? You see all those food, all those meat I used to give you? Forget it. Since you want to lie.
No, I go there. But as you say, you know, and tell Oga, say all these things happen, say person come. I say make I just go tell am small. Make I know whether in there I will say person they come see am.
You won't go tell am small what?
Say person come see am.
Who come see Oga? Who come see Oga? Because the person wey come here, me you can't find. Who come see Oga? You know, say, me and you get a lot to lose. If you try it, I go tell Oga say your papa no dey house. Try me. Oh, but let's say Oga actually opened the door for you. You for tell him. You could have actually told him. No problem. Try it.
She catch me. She catch me. This one I no fit deny her. She catch me like this. Boom. She catch me. Oh, no lie.
Sir.
Oh, I am full.
Okay, sir. Sir.
Yes?
I think we need an extra hand, sir. Whenever I go to the market, there's no one here to take care of you. We need an extra hand.
I don't understand. You mean I'll pay you 60,000 and pay another person extra 60,000? That is 60. No, I disagree with that. Listen, my son is a prudent man. He might stay abroad, but it's not wasteful. I think the gate man's child can assist you.
Sir, Scholar is just a little girl. Besides, you don't pay her. I'm sorry, sir. I'm only suggesting. Even if it needs you taking out some money, little money from my salary, then you can add up and pay the extra hand.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Do you need this helping hand that much?
Yes, sir. Actually, she's my friend. She needs a job too, sir.
Okay, if I do, and I think I will pay you 40,000 and add 10,000 naira to your friend, making 30,000.
Sir, It's too much, oh. Sir, if you can take 10,000 from my own, and then you can add up.
Are you now telling me what to do?
No, sir. No, I'm just suggesting. Sir, taking out 20K from my money is too much.
30,000 naira for your friend and 40 for you. And I will talk to my son first.
Sir, I'm sorry.
Do you accept it or not?
Sorry, sir. Sir, please. The money that they're taking out from my sir, it's just that the 20,000 is too much. Please, sir.
Lotta, you may leave.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will be in the kitchen, sir.
You may leave, Lotta.
Thank you, sir. Accepting this would mean losing 20K from my monthly salary. That means after paying school fees and buying textbooks, I won't have any money left. I will have to trek to school a lot. Ifeoma is my friend, and we must sacrifice for friends and family. We'll rise by lifting others. I can't think of my welfare alone. I need to consider her. You don't accept.
I talk up. I don't go. I know saying go accept. I tell you now. I tell you they say make I go beg am, make I go beg am. Why I go beg am? I know saying go no say me. I be helpless child wey need help. I don't go. Eh?
The problem is that he wants to remove 20K from my salary. Then he will add 10K to that money and be paying you 30 while he pays me 40. So
I don't understand. Wait. You mean he wants to pay me 30 and pay you 40? Hi.
But initially that
Lotta, you no get sense. You no get sense. Why you no tell him make him leave am for that 60 when they pay you? If he pay you 60, he go pay me 60. Which one be saying he go pay me 30, pay you 40? For what now?
I told him, but he said his son is not wasteful. I told him, he refused.
I am wasteful.
No, that's not what... Why are you misunderstanding me? That's not what he said. He's trying to say that they cannot pay 60. So they have to take out... You're not even getting it. They took out money from my own money to pay you.
Which one is that they took out money from your own money to pay me? Who took out money? Tomorrow you say you do me favor. You don't do me favor. You are a full. You no get sense. All the street wise why I don't teach you for village. You don't get anyone where you sabi. You for tell and say, see Oga oh, this is my friend. Abeg leave me, Joe. Don't be the same work we go dey do for here. If you clean house, not be the same house I go clean. You wash plates, not be the same plates I go wash. You bath, not be the same bath I go bath. Wetin dey different for here? Wetin dey tell me now? So if it's allowed to say, leave am for that 60. You pay am 60, you pay me 60. You say make them comot am, bring me to 30. No try am oh. No try am. I no go gree. You and that your oga before I go break that thing down walk on leg. Just make I just go and ease myself. When I come out, you go talk this thing. I think say you get sense. You just talk for nothing. Tolo.
What is happening here? Where's this noise coming from?
Allow them to put it for like that.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Lotta?
Yes, sir.
What is happening over there?
Sir, I was laughing with myself, sir.
With who?
Myself, sir.
That's how madness starts.
Sorry, sir.
One more sound of your laughter. Tomorrow morning you will find yourself in a psychiatric hospital.
I am sorry, sir. I was actually watching a movie. Sorry, sir.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
What is it? Are you okay? Why did you for your dream?
Was that why you beat me?
Because you don't know what you were doing.
Actually,
What?
I saw one fine guy in my dream. I was even pregnant too.
I better stop. No tell me again. It's very obvious. Those your village people, they follow you come here. Yes, now. You carry belly. It's not normal. It's not ordinary. Maybe all those your spiritual husband, where they follow you from village, they don't follow you come here.
Ify.
Is it not obvious? Which one be say you get pregnant? Just day your day will make when they come, make you no involve me, no touch me. I just cook my shit for you. Person go they sleep, they do.
Guys,
If I go now and tell him, say, Lota bring me, we be stranger, into his house. Him go sack him. Then me, I go come beg him to take me. Make I replace Lota. No. What if he gets so angry and chase all of us come out? Make I no try him. But I hope say he no go reject wetin Lota tell am about me. Oh.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sister. So you get my leave that witch for this house alone. You go market, leave them alone for this house. Sissy.
I know my friend. If it's this topic you want to bring up again, please, Abort.
No, wait now. You know say this, why they talk this? I don't want me this girl kill all of us for this compound though. I know why they talk am.
Scholar, I just said I know my friend. Deep down inside her heart, she means no evil. She's just blunt, that's all. I know my friend.
No wahala. Me, I know what they tell you too. Oh, no wahala. Since you know your friend.
Mind your business. Eh? This your small mouth. Mind your business.
No wahala. Thank God
Cannot
I
mind
forget
your
that
business.
day. As the thing go dey start, you go just see me for junction. No wahala. So I go dey even run sef. I go lock all this door. She go chop all of una. Wetin na dey talk? Carry village girl come here. Winch. Keep for house.
Good afternoon, sir.
Lotta,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I spoke with my son concerning your request of bringing an extra help. He has approved it.
He has approved it. Hi. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Sir, thank you. Hey, thank you, sir.
You may bring her in tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Hey! Sir, I'll bring her, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Sir, do you need anything?
Not at all.
Okay, sir, no problem. Thank you, sir.
It's you.
This one where you happy. Wait, he has agreed one day.
Wait, you can make I understand something. You mean say Oga don't agree to make I dey work for him? Make him go dey pay me?
Yes.
So from now, I don't become big girl.
Hey.
I'm gonna get money. I'm gonna wear the same clothes wey you dey wear.
Yes.
Use your cap. Use your clothes. Hey! Hey! Even for happiness, person no go shout. That's funny. Better one name, he got the woman. Oh yeah, I think he got the woman. Oh yeah, I think. Hey, better one name, Small. You no go say make I know happy. This one na good news. Better one name, he got the woman. Oh yeah, I think. Sorry. I happy when my sister. From now on, I don't become big girl. Make that small rat talk to me. Make I just use her mouth, eh? Better one name, he got the woman. Oh yeah, I think.
Okay.
Finally, she done dey go. Hey! Wow! Thank God. Say finally you come up for this house. Hey! My God, you too good. You too good. I swear, you too good.
If she knocks, you open the gate.
Are they crazy? Why I go open gate? That's why don't go. I don't go open gates.
Kola, shebi you know now you get everything to lose. Because if she knock hard, if she knock well, Oga come out. Now me go tell am say your papa no dey. Try me. Allow her make she knock well.
I make she knock now. Make she knock. Make she knock herself. Make she knock. Make she knock.
You know they hear.
Come. You say make she knock hard. She never knock hard now.
See, let me tell you, you little wizard. He be like say no, could they hungry you. What happen na go get?
You never do anything. Cut away you there outside.
I don't blame you. Look at you self where they there. You just there like madam. You be madam. I be come open gate for me. Which kind nonsense? Now me una they use they do Tom and Jerry. I been waiting. Mba, no, Ochikon I told you, you're laughing. Open this gate, see. Which kind? Now me una they use they do Tom and Jerry. I've been waiting. I don't understand. Which kind of nonsense is this now? Eh? You see you. You don't see she got 7 up. Or chicha many year okay? Don't worry, I will show you. It's just remaining, one sickening something. Stop telling me it's okay. Everything is okay.
Let's go.
I don't like what you're doing. Leave her now.
This one are twins. You and Devon are twins. Ejima ekwensu. I wait till you be. Okay, leave her. Leave her.
Which kind of nonsense is that?
It's okay.
Leave me.
Sorry.
See your life. See your life outside. But when you carry come house, they tell you say, make you go open the they do like madam. Hey. Okay. Now I go there for this house. You go play, you go show. I mean they tell you. You never know.
You both can share a room. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Ifoma.
Sir?
I never wanted another helper. But your friend here, Lota, requested and insisted that I get one. So I expect 100% competency from you. Else, you'll be fired.
Oga, wait, so you better make I talk my mind, yo, so that you no go come sack me tomorrow. Oga, I no get computer. As you see me like this, I am computerless, yo. Even the 100% the way you talk, where I go start to get them. I no get you. But if now manpower, I get them for manpower. See, Oga, by the time I start to do work for here, everywhere, they clean everywhere. You go no say, I don't come. See, Oga, now me be former, baby not well, one in the whole Africa. Nobody feel compete with me, oh. Nobody. Now me they do all the work with you. If you like, I go start today everywhere. I did everywhere. Oh. I go even come on your class. I will come. Before you know it, you don't dey waka. Yes, sir.
Oga means you have to be good at your job.
Now waiting I just explain now. Why they always do like say that you know everything pass? Not be waiting I explain. Tell me. Tell her more. This Lota no they even ever allow someone because she they go school.
That's good.
I beg you don't mind how. I know waiting I do. I get them for manpower.
That's good. I think you're a funny girl.
Hey, I funny.
You'll be entertaining me.
Yes, so I start to work
At
again.
least you are not as boring as Lota.
Hey! I talk him.
Sir?
He hear him, he say, sir.
Sir, I'm not boring.
You are. Even for village, make I tell you, okay? For village, this girl, she dey very boring. Me now, we come out for village. Hey! My local government chairman, everybody for village, our Igwe, hey, where baby na buwele? Because if I go village, I go to dance.
That's all right.
Let's go dancing. Hey, leave me now. Okay, you don't like
It's okay.
Hey, see, I'm there.
You may leave now.
We dey leave. You're very, very boring.
I am not boring.
Okay, say you dey, but even for village, everybody know all your boyfriends they no say dey.
I said it's okay.
You say, oh, yeah, better going. Okay, say make we dey go now. Okay, thank you very well. Okay, she very boring, no.
I am not boring.
Now me, baby, na wedding. Okay, don't come. Oh God. Let's be going. Okay, say you dey very boring. You don't know, make you know.
I am not boring.
You dey boring.
I am not boring.
See you. Oh, you dey very boring.
I am not.
Lota. Now why you dey frown your face now? Because say Oga just talk say I better pass you. You dey frown face, you dey vex. Why you dey vex? In life, one person go better pass another. We no go fit dey equal. Say you, we and you, we dey do. No, I go better pass you. So make you dey smile.
No problem. I tell you, say no problem. I don't have any problem with it.
Ashi, you lie. You say you don't have any problem, but see your face. Can't wear your hair. It's no good now. Make you dey do your face well. If they wish your friend well, you follow wish and well. Make the way go. Now so friendship day.
No problem. I don't know why you are talking. I already said I don't have a problem with it. It's fine.
You better don't have problem, because jealousy will now jealousy they see for this thing. But so you know consign me, I don't come beside I don't come. Make I just keep my bag. And I want chop.
I go cook later. Make I rest more. I don't tire.
I know wetin I dey talk oh. I know wetin I dey talk oh. Make we carry this snake comot for this compound, for this house. I know wetin I dey talk.
She's not a snake. She's just blunt.
You say she's just blunt. Hey, you see the snake grammar. She's not, she's just blunt. You know how they do blunt, this particular blunt, what they tell you, don't pass you by you. Because this particular blunt, even they sharp, very, very sharp, and it will cut you into pieces. Say you or use it this year. I mean, waiting at the top. They good, make you they pray. Ask God, say make you give this spiritual eyes. When they see evil people, they see evil, they see all the yama things when they come your way, make you they cast and bind them, but when I know they agree. You get why?
Scholar, she's not an evil person. Okay, let me tell you a story. I've asked everyone for money. No one won't give me. Even if na 5K where I fit get, now I go add on to the money where I hold for hand. Go city. But no one, everybody is saying they don't have.
5K. Now waiting be 5K. Now 5 naira you mean? I mean 5 kobo.
5,000 naira. 5,000 naira only.
Ha, Lota, I don't understand you. It be like so this first way they take for class. That time, na fake. Yes, now. Waiting you they call 5K. It's of you to say 5,000 naira. Make person know waiting you they beg. You say 5K. You won't do and polishing. I've been waiting.
If you beg, I don't get strength for this your bad mouth. I beg. If you want to help me, you reason with me.
No,
we'll together.
Make I dey go my house. You say you don't need me.
No, now, no. Don't wait till I talk. I say if you won't help me, may we put head together. No wait till I go do.
I won't help you. But this your mouth is too bad. No wahala. See, I could give you the 5,000 naira.
Ify? You go give me the 5,000?
Mm-hmm.
Give me! You won't give me 5,000? You sure?
I will give you, but see, make I tell you. You see this 5,000 where I won't give you. Now my home and abroad. Now only money where I don't get for this life why they will. And they save them. I won't use and go start a corn business. They roast corn. Or I start a table market. Anyone where I go free start. Make I help my life.
Oh.
But as you be my friend now, no wahala. I will give you the money. But make sure say use and well. Oh.
Ify. This is why I'm always talking about you.
Hey. You won't kill me.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
Just use and well. Oh.
I will.
So that anyway you don't say that my money, no be your money.
Hey, my name. So you see, I'm only in this town because she agreed to give me money to come. Okay, imagine if I said, oh, she's a bad person. that she doesn't need to be my friend, I need to keep my distance. Who would have given me money? No one. So I'm forever grateful to her.
Kind. She's good though.
She's good.
Make her talk. So I should just talk all this story where you just talk. I will say, Ba, now what do you want? Now make her tell you. This thing where you just talk, nonsense, come. Now what you talk? You don't get sense at all. You don't make sense. You know say anybody feel give you money. Say I give you money, no mean say you come from my heart. I feel that shit money. But you don't know what is in my mind after they give you the money. You know when I give you the money, make you go outside, go get accidents. You know. So that those kind of thing where you go they think. They don't say she give you money. Okay, make her show you something. This thing I must say it go happen. If life give them chance, make it pass you. I swear, he will do you something bad. He go prepare you. I mean they tell you.
Scholar, life has already given her the chance to. And she said no. Okay, if she didn't want things to go well with me, she would not give me 5K.
If you they talk this 5K, could they do me like say, okay, you give them the 5K now. I don't like as they take the reasons. Okay, I just want to make everybody they sensitive. Make una just they alert, they sensitive. Because in case some things will go happen like this, you don't go feel catch them up.
What did you call it?
I said make you they sensitive.
Scholar. So all this time I've been giving you my phone to learn English. You are busy playing game. It's sensitive. Sensitive.
No be the
Sensitive.
As far as say you understand what I talk. See, my mom be say, obviously, she go do you something bad.
What did you say?
She must do you something bad.
What did you just say? What?
Me, I know the joke. I know what's in it. I know the joke.
Oh, Scholar. It's obviously. Obviously.
No be obviously. Na be there obviously.
No verse.
Make I even tell you, waiting me Scholar sit down, they see for up. You wait there, even if you climb Iroko tree, no go fit see am. Lie. Why you don't look me? It is not my height. Okay, for your mind now, because say you stand up, if you see am. You don't even see what's in that because you not be by ordinary eye where they look me. Now by inner eyes, give what they call inner eyes. If you get am, once you look person, you go to see the person future. You go to see what the person go do. As I dey look you, I know everything where they go. I know everything what you go do in future. I know everything where they your body. But as they see me, just they look me like this. You know me? You know my inner? You know now.
If I must reach and pass that Lutana, I go need to go another room. Oh. Yes, now. Hey, I don't even know, say, that money why I help her for village. Make she just come out, make I carry that her boyfriend way there for village, Obi. Go bring her come this better place, so woman. I for no do am. Even the Obi self, why I go snatch from her? Waiting I get. He cheat on me. He cheat on me. Nothing where I get. Now Lutana, they go school. They do things. She won't pass me. Ha, no. If for ma, baby na lele. You need to come out from this room. Make she no know your plans at all. I bet make I go dey pack my things. Make I come out from here.
Where are you going to?
I dey go my room.
But this room is big enough to contain me and you. I mean, the bed is very big. What? We'll be gisting at night. Why are you packing your things?
I better leave my thing. I say I want my day now. I need my privacy. Na bad thing.
What are you saying? The bed is big enough. At least we can be gisting. Why are you packing your stuff?
Lota, they tie our placenta together.
No.
They bond us together.
No.
So allow me to go day my day now. I want day my day. You could still disturb me. You be enemy of progress.
Okay, but the bed is big now.
I better leave me. I want day my room. Oh, I want day my day. Now waiting I want. Now by force. Make I day my day, make you day your day. They born me and you the same time. I bet they tie our placenta together. Ha! Oh.
I'm sorry. Ify, please help me and cut the vegetable in the kitchen. Oh, let me finish what I'm doing.
As what? No. Lota, so you're sending me on an errand. As what? My madam? And I'm your maid.
Ify, it seems like you're misunderstanding me. I'm just saying, please help me to cut the vegetable so that at least when I'm done with this one, I can come and join you. It's what we're going to eat this morning.
Let me make it very clear to you that you came to this house before me does not give you the right whatsoever to be sending me on an errand like pickle. I'm someone you will just press anyhow. Don't try it I'm not your mate. Lota, I am not your mate. Did you hear me? And I'm not your mate.
Sorry now. I just wanted you to help me. Did I say anything wrong? Ify!
Push up. Make I even check you whether you carry me for enter house. Okay, you know carry. You know say as you come out, now my mind just go one place. I say, why I go there assist you? They wear mufti. See, as I dey assist you, I suppose the wear uniform so that they see me, they go not say yes, I dey on point. Now I go meet Sisi Lota, tell and say I want me to help me sew uniform. I can't disturb. I said disturb and finish. The next day, they carry tailor come measure me. For you know it, they carry uniform. She even by this and say now waiting they use the check people whether if you carry anything, you go do pum for here.
See, I don't want my daughter to suffer what I suffered. I don't want them at all. God forbid.
You know go even forbid them for me, now me go forbid them for myself. Me suffer waiting is go for I don't go suffer waiting suffer. No be that one. I don't go fit suffer. You know what is suffer? You know what is suffer? Me, I don't go suffer with you suffer because now poverty you suffer from. I will tell you. I don't go suffer. So how mama dey now?
She don't recover. She there with Auntie Lizzie. Say make Auntie Lizzie the help us, they take care of her. Because get her CBO. But wait. Oga find out. So,
You see. Okay, let me tell you. You get one day when I sit down for here, as I dey sleep, I dey like this, turn my face this side. Now Oga dey this side, they shout, Obi! I can't just say that because they are wearing. But you just say now you be that. You know say you know so. So again, you can't just say now you be me because of this uniform. I can't then you. I can't fall my. All the room. You can't call Obi. I can't turn like this. Because you come here. I say, sponge. He say, I'm warning you, come here. And like that, too. If you say I no wear uniform, therefore no say no be you sit down there.
But you know me say no, I don't like this. I don't like him at all. How about you go? I did do get my picking no.
You go like okay, what if you can't send me go school? I can't graduate, then you say now get 2 man I want to what you go tell me no.
Stop that.
No, they tell me no. Now you the my man. Another gist today. You go bath, sit down, calm down, make a bring food give you. I will gist you. You don't know what this is in hotel. Do. She carry person come. You don't know the person.
You take carry person come.
You see person she carry come, and they come. Make I go bring food for you. Go bath first, sit down, make I bring food and they come.
It's your mouth.
I'm telling you.
If you see this place, why dey? The way that AC go dey blow you. If he blow you for head, he go blow you for nyash. He go blow you everywhere. Your body go dey cool lele. I dey enjoy you. Make I call you back. Oh, wait, I go call you. Yeah.
I've been working since morning. Come and help me out now.
As what? As your maid or what?
As my co-worker.
Who is your co-worker? I look like your co-worker.
But you're wearing uniform.
And so, if I like, make I wear uniform. Does it make me a co-worker? See, Lota, respect yourself. It's very obvious you don't like good thing. Enemy of progress.
Why are you doing this? They slashed my salary because of you.
And so, you see it? That is it. That's how you will go to the village. You go everywhere and be telling people, Ogene, be knocking Ogene drum everywhere. Hey, they slashed my salary, oh. They gave it to informer, oh. They gave it to... All the care where I've been giving you in the village, do you see me mention it anywhere? All my money where you don't chop for this life, you don't see me mention it anywhere. Ungrateful people. See, Lota, leave me alone, oh. If you be Goliath for my life, see, I be David, oh. I go use stone, finish you.
Why are you talking like this? Why are you doing this?
We want them. My sister, don't mind me. In a person where interrupt us. Now that you know those people where they cut flower gardeners. Now the person come. Now our gardener for here. Now so they come cut the flower everywhere. You know, say for my room, hibiscus flower day for here. So I just they show how you go cut this one. Cut this one.
Ify.
What is it now? Go and cut the flower. Have I not given you instruction? Don't mind them. On the side, they give instruction. They know they listen. You don't say that me be madam. Tell me, how is it going?
What's the meaning of all this? Fuma, why are you like this?
It's never too late, though. Never too late. Make we dump am for those days.
You're not serious.
Are they serious? So, in fact, he gave one leaf when I come back with. I asked him what is the leaf they do. He said the leaf they medicinal. Saying if you use the leaf, cook, you go sleep for 2 to 3 days. So as he can't talk that thing, my man can't go where if all day. I can't imagine say I put that leaf for her food. As you chop finish, she go dey sleep. 2 of us will come carry him. Me I will carry her for hand, will carry her for leg. We won't dump her for that dustbin place. If dustbin come, they will carry her to go. Simple as that.
Wait, the thing I'm getting from what you're saying now is your father is back.
Yes, he just come back. I want to tell you.
Thank God. How is your mom?
She dey get better. Don't see my papa.
Thank God. At least if that one is the only good news I've gotten today. Thank God. Do you know that Oga kept disturbing me? I kept covering for your father.
Don't mind that man. That man now wicked man. He dey very wicked. You know what make my papa go to see my sick mama?
It's because your father has taken permission 3 times. He only said if your father goes again, he's going to bring another gate man. Who will blame him?
Me. I will blame him. Where my papa?
I'm coming. Don't you say this place is untidy? Come in.
My papa dey hungry. Make a carry and go make it the untidy. Make it the tidy place.
Make you the untidy. Don't worry, I'll give him food now. Hold on. I'm happy that he's back. Oh, let me put it here.
But, Sisi, what do you think about that leaf? That leaf what they talk now? It is very powerful. No? As my party talk, can you say if you want rest, if you want sleep, just use the leaf, cook. Don't use that now.
Scholar, do you want food or not?
I want food.
Exactly. Not as much. Papa Scholar. Welcome, sir. Sir, welcome.
Hey. You bring food for us?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
How was the job?
Thank God, though. I don't go come back. Madam done the well. They take care of her.
Thank God. Oga been the ask of you. Let me even cover you.
Thank you. So you know find out?
You know find out.
How many thank you for all the things you did for my family. Even the uniform where you saw for her. Oh, wow. Yeah. I bet she take and cover me well though.
Yes.
She don't tell me what thing happen. Even when Oga begin find me. And she come pretend like saying me. So she come. Yeah. Scholar. This my daughter, eh? As I don't come back now, she will stop to buy the uniform. Now, because no father go like making daughter. Make she no go begin suffer aside the suffer now. You no good now. You no good. So she will stop work.
No problem.
Yeah?
No problem.
Thank you, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Don't worry, we go chop am. Don't worry now. Don't worry, yeah. Thank you, my dear.
I'll be at my post now.
Huh?
I go now.
Thank you,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Try. You try. God bless you.
Thanks, sir.
Hey, wow. Very nice, girl.
But she wants to see that her thought connect for this song. She will regret. In fact, she will regret saying she did the taxi.
Scholar. The kind words where they come out from your mouth. Hey, always remind me of my mother. Eh? Wisdom everywhere, very wise. But, trouble too. Wisdom and trouble. It's now. It's.
Okay, like this one thing I tell you when they laugh. You never even finish sharing the story. They go say, oh yeah, chop meat now. She go say, no, I know they chop. I say me, I know tell if I know. I don't rub anything. No make I they chop the meat. No, so they chop the meat. How they chop them? How they chop? You know these guys, they rub. Chop meat. He say if you know what made the thing clean.
If Mama will not kill me.
You never even see anything.
Yes, come here.
They laugh. I just they laugh. I say, I beg go make you leave me, oh. Not be me do am, oh.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Lota.
Sir, food is ready. Can I bring it?
It's all right now. Please bring it. Also bring it for my own.
Sir?
You heard me. Bring her food.
Yes. So they tell you, I chop am saute if I dey waka for road, na so I go dey mess. If I mess, you know those mess so they sound tagru. Na so. Okay, what make I mess for you? Make you understand.
Hey, don't try it.
You go smell well. The smell, you go smell well.
Please don't.
Make I mess am.
Don't try it.
She does nothing in this house. I been a gist they pay am for. If you don't, they change.
She know they change anything. She never change. Now because say now you see her true color. Her color they there before. But now you no one notice her. Now you no one see the color. Now she just show you the color.
What are you always doing in this kitchen? And the one where they pay me pass, be say you they like shoot this your mouth for waiting no concern you.
Hey, you say no concern me. He concern you. He concern and the thing where they see for that girl eyes, that he for jaw. The thing why they see for her eyes, they see for her heart. It did very bad. And if all of us allow and do it in their mind, all of us go hear one. I'm telling you, go hear her.
Scholar, please, I don't have strength to argue. Please.
I don't see make you argue. Not be whether you get strength or you don't get strength. If problem dey ground, try to solve it. Because if you don't solve it, you no go disappear. You go dey multiply. Now you make her say, make her be your motivational speaker. Oh, you know, they try listen to me. Now be the thing. So that a day I go just give 1 word. Tomorrow I go bring 2 words. The next day I will bring 3 words. Like that. I'm telling you, you need them for your life.
I don't hear. I've heard you. Carry your multi-emotional speech elsewhere. I know, my friend.
They know everybody. Remember say, no be you be God, no go feel no us, reach our hearts. No wahala.
Let me go and serve Oga, please.
I talk am. You dey go serve am. Person when you carry come house, they go serve am.
It's not her fault. It was Oga that asked me to bring food.
I know now. You go dey defend and they defend anything what you do, you go defend them. Because you're not your friend. You go explain, tire no evidence. Abi you get evidence?
Scholar.
Make you know me say she don't charm you. Because I know say you know say she dey bad. But you dey like cover am up. No wahala. Me I shall know. I know wetin I dey talk.
Oga, this one where your body they do you eating one.
But you cost it.
If I not tell you story, make your body know they paying you.
No, I'm enjoying it though.
You like her? Hey, sorry, where else they paying you?
My ribs.
Hey, okay, if you like say what they do you. Oh yeah, sorry, sorry, Oga, sorry. Indo, sorry, no, make you no pay you, yeah? Make I do one like this. Hey, that's why I learn them for Chinese. I learn them for their place when they teach them for our church. Because they say,
That's okay.
I beg Lotabia, come here. You know put toothpick, no salt today for you. Go bring them. I say come now, see no toothpick today, no salt so. You dey do me children. I tell you something, make I help you.
Sir, do you want to speak?
All right, go and bring it.
So you know say this girl where you dey see for here. You see for village, she no sabi do anything.
Really?
If she go cook cassava, salt no dey. Anything when she cook for village, na so we go dey carry salt everywhere. Salt no dey. She no sabi cook anything. Don't worry, the day wey I go cook for you. Now that day where you go dey inside uwe.
What's the meaning of this way?
Something wey dey happen well. You know say person when they do something when they happen well. Now me baby na uwe one of Africa. And they happen anywhere where I go. So now that uwe you go they happen anywhere where you go.
You want my ribs to start to pay me again.
Oh yeah, sorry, make I close my mouth, so that you go get strength where you go use chop meat.
Meanwhile, I think we'll first eat. Let's eat first.
Make she bring salt. You should not bring salt and not fit chop.
Ifoma, why didn't you pack your place after eating?
Which plate?
The place you ate with.
Lota, I beg you, waiting be your work for this place. No be house help, baby. Maid. If I chop finish, you go carry the plate now. I beg you, leave me,
Ifoma, why are you doing this? Why? Why don't you like peace? I'm not against you pursuing your goals. But at least we can do it peacefully now.
Hey. See me as I dey here, JJ, they respect myself. You carry your wahala come here. No be you they pursue your goal. Now you they go school. Now you they write exam. Now you they do everything. Allow me make I dey here, JJ, they pursue my own goal now. Wetin they do you? Because leave me alone.
Ifoma, listen. As long as the salary is being shared in this house, you're going to do your chores. I don't know what you're always doing, discussing rubbish with Oga. What's even wrong with you?
I talk am. I talk am. I know say this thing where me and Oga they laugh, they kwa. If they pay you for your belly. I talk and say jealousy na jealousy they do you. Now jealousy they do you, you gonna pretend like say they jealous. One day Jesus Christ. Boy, see you don't open. Jealousy because say Oga like me pass you. My sister, you never see anything. You never see anything.
My dear, I don't care whether Oga likes you more than me. I don't care.
You care.
As long as the salary is being shared in this house, if you know what you're supposed to do in this house, you better do it. Because I'm not going to do my chores and do yours as well. Not when my salary is being shared. Do you understand?
I bet come check this.
I am not going to do yours.
This meat there on my teeth here. Is there?
Rubbish.
Rubbish. Anyawawo. Look at how. Hey! You never even see anything. This one is just small pepper what I give you. By the time I put that inside, I forget about the road. Nonsense. You need more progress. Make my room chill well, so that if I go play with Oga finish, I go come lie down cover myself. Hi! You go tell me like say I dey mortuary, everywhere go just cool for my body.
Ify, are you still angry? I'm sorry.
Don't touch me.
Ify, mama, wait now. Sorry. See, I've done all the chores. I've cleaned the whole house. I've swept everything. I've washed all the places. You don't even need to worry. The only thing I want you to do for me is to take care of Oga. You know, I'm not around, and he might need things in his room. Or even help me take him to the bathroom so he can ease himself. Oh, that's the only thing you're going to do for me. That's all. Gee.
Leave me now, I don't hear you.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Oh, one name more. Sorry. Oh,
it's okay, Josie. You want to kill me?
Sorry. Ify, let me go to school. Oh, I'll see you when I come back. If you don't even need to stress. I've done everything.
Leave him, make I come do him. I be your maid. I bet make I go enjoy with Oga. This nonsense again.
Lota.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. How are you there?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Did I say they go to school?
Yes, sir.
That's your friend. Your friend. What's be her name again? Ifoma. Ifoma. I don't understand them. The way she do. They fear that kind of person. If it's chop person. I tell you the truth.
Papa scholar. Ifoma might be acting somehow. But she can't do more than this.
See you. What do you know about life? Make I tell you. Now, when person don't get position, still good back. That time you go know what the person fit do. Person fit they pretend they do. When you don't give them position, bam, the lion go come out. Chaka chaka, tiger. I tell you the truth.
I know my friend. Does she have bad character? Yes. Does she have bad mouth? Yes. Is she a good person? Of course. She has a good heart.
Wait. Person get bad character. Get bad mouth. You see, saying a good person. How How you go combine the two, come become good person again? How good go enter for bad, bad enter for good? I never see that kind one before.
I understand
Wait,
that.
make I tell you something. Scholar don't tell me plenty story about this girl. And all the things wey Scholar they tell me, I dey take am serious. Because Scholar, na my mama, the incarnator. My mama die, come back as Scholar. The wisdom wey dey that girl head no be here. I tell you true. Anything wey she talk, I dey take am seriously. Scholar dey talk anyhow. I tell you true. Be careful.
No problem, sir. I will. Can I go to school now?
Yeah, you should go.
Thank you, sir.
You go, yeah.
Thank you,
Take
sir.
care of it, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Okay, sir.
Person get bad mouth, get bad character. He say na good person. Good person. Where the goodness? Wait. My help you. Please.
Okay, sir.
Ifoma. Eh? Is it that you're not using your head or what? Why didn't I come with hot, sexy, that I will use and seduce this man? It's not your fault, Ifoma. It's not your fault. I don't know sinner like this thing will be. But what I go do now? I need to gain my ground for here. I know if you just come here carry last. Okay, I know what to do.
My clothes be that. Now my skirt you wear and my top. I beg. Leave me make a talk. Leave me make a talk. I go talk what I know. Come on my clothes for me, I beg. Come on my clothes for me. Give me my clothes. Give me my clothes. Give me my clothes now. Give my skirt.
See, no, they drag me. See, if you drag me and anybody come out here, you no get proof. You no get proof. I go tell Oga, say your papa travel. It is I no know. I get proof. Leave me. You open your my clothes, my clothes. What do you think you do for upstairs here? Here now your duty post. Now here you they do your work.
Oga, come on my clothes. Fast shout now. Come on my clothes.
I say close your mouth, I'll come out it.
Come on them now. Come on my clothes now.
So make I come out your the clothes for here.
Yes.
You dey crazy. You dey mad. How I go come out the clothes for you? Make you dey see my body.
Come on my clothes, madam. Say she be. Me I dey wait for you here. I shower. Give me my clothes. Give me.
Onyashere.
Give me. Hey! Chineke bo. And this Noga won't perceive.
Are you saying I'm smelling?
Leave me now.
I said, what did you say?
Leave me.
Are you saying I'm
Leave me now. Oga.
If I slap you.
The smell. Oga. Come take your slippers. I will pepper you today. You see this slipper? I will carry the slippers go hide. You go see wait today.
target. This girl is just a hello, sir. Oh, is that Scholar? Yes, she came to ask for her clothes. She said that Lota carried her clothes. But I told her I'm not aware that when she comes back. No, sir, she's not back. I should bring water and come and tell you stories. Okay, so I'm coming. Hi, this girl has spoiled my plans. I will show her.
Scholar.
Open up.
Thank you.
I'm Cecilia. Make I tell you something. You get what if I judge you today. If I tell you what's the score, what's the occur for this compound, then you don't believe him. You know what she do?
First, hold on. First, it's Ifoma. You need to learn to respect my friend.
No. Now if I judge she be bad person. Make I tell you now, she thief my skirt, come wear skirt, come do like this. Like this. I can't do and say, why you thief my skirt now? She come wear the top, she come do like this, come show her belly.
I am too tired.
No, make I tell you now. As I come to tell her, say, make you give my clothes, make you give my clothes. You know what she tell me? She tell me, say, me, I don't get evidence. Say, now she get evidence. I say, which one be you get evidence for my clothes, on top of my clothes? They tell me, say, you get evidence. Evidence for what now? If you see her, man, she wear the clothes, she want to do, she want to seduct Oga. I'm telling you. If you see her the clothes, there, like this.
Scholar, so you want me, a sane person, to believe that my friend, Ifoma was...
Ifo
Have you seen your height and seen Ifoma's height?
yes, nah.
How can your clothes possibly fit Ifoma?
Now waiting at the top. She can't wear the thing, she don't feel move. She can't tight down. She can't wear the thing can't short like this. Wear, she can't do like this with my top, my polo. And she can't give me, make her come show you the clothes where she wear. Come make her show
Scholar,
you the
leave
clothes.
me, I'm too tired.
Come make her
Have
show
you
me.
eaten?
Yes, I don't chop.
Who gave you food?
Sorry, I never chop.
Oh, you just said you've eaten.
No. I never chop. But you know
I'm going inside. Let me make something for you to eat.
Cecilota, you
Scholar,
know
I am
smell,
too
abi?
tired for this. Leave me.
Make her bring the clothes, make you smell. Cecilota, wait, now make her tell you something.
Ify, look at what I bought for you. Ify. 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 Ify.
Make you put your hand for here. You dey feel anything? You dey beat?
The breed.
You dey breathe? Hard.
No.
Eh.
Small.
What here? You dey do gbudududu? You know they do gbudududu?
No, it's calm.
It's calm?
It's calm.
Eh. Huh. What's here? You see him?
It's soft.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. You're welcome, Lota.
Thank you, sir.
Please, get us a bottle of wine and 2 glasses.
Sir?
You heard me. A bottle of wine and 2 glasses.
Okay, sir.
So you say you know they do gbudududu?
No, it's soft.
Oh yeah, touch me for here. How you feel him? It's soft?
It's soft. Well.
It's soft well. I know say it's soft well. I know say you go like her well. Eh?
Like her.
Eh. So you touch him for here.
Oh my God.
You feel him? You do gbudududu?
in the breed.
I don't say they do. Because my mind, they tell me, say, oh, my body, they make noise, they make noise. I just one day sure say, no be me, they feel I'm saying you, they feel I'm too.
And they feel am.
I know. Hey.
And your body could be cool.
Iku wewe. Na baby na uwele like this na. Eh? I dey uwe. I dey uwe.
Everything for me to do. I know this is how it is. I won't have water.
My baby. Smile now. This one where you dey frown your face. Why are you frowning your face?
Are you done gisting with Oga?
Yes, sir. Where's your face? Smile now.
Ify, you are here to help me. You are here to help me. You should be helping me with chores. Even if it's washing the plates. You're just leaving me to do everything.
Am I? Ha. I don't understand you, Lota. Why are you doing like this? And that's why you're even frowning your face like a person where they use shit to do like this. Boy! Are you angry? See, this man where they up here, they're very lonely. Nobody to talk to. Nobody to communicate. I say, okay, make I just go the gist with them. They make him day happy. And you're here angry. Why are you jealous now? Are you enemy of progress? Why?
I am not jealous. I'm not even close to being jealous.
So what are you?
All I am saying is that you should assist me. I mean, that's why you are here.
I beg. I wanted to ask you something. Lota, baby. Lota, I beg you, we market today for here. Hey, put your face where. Talk to me now. Now, yo.
It's by the end of the road.
Hey. Which road? This one?
Yes.
Hey. Is that why you're doing like this? Don't you know you're my sister? Sister mo. But I remember, it's me and you. You know those times in the village, how we used to do together. Peko, meko.
Then if you want us to be doing together, help me.
But I help you now. That's talking to Oga, is it not help? Gisting him is help. You remember that time for village? That time where you can't say no K. Nobody won't give you K. I can't give you K, oh. Sharp. Today, you get something where I won't beg you, I beg. You go fee borrow me 7,000.
No. Don't give them any money. No give them shit. Bang.
Scholar.
Shh. No. You want give a weapon where she will take you?
How?
No be this same person I tell you say she see my skirt. I sure say that money where she dey beg you, she want use and go buy in Benuku. Make she dey say doctor Oga.
You're very stupid. This place where you dey now, na gate be this. No, na gate be this where you dey. Every time you go dey put your mouth for waiting no concern you. See, if I descend on you, you no go like yourself. Look at how she dey. Small engine, rat,
It's okay.
rabbit.
It's okay. Scholar, you have dropped the plate, right? Leave.
I want to go with you.
When did that one start? My friend, would you leave?
You know the hear word. Make it they go where they go.
Scholar.
Go like this. See the road. Go like this. Go. Obanjenawa. Can you imagine?
Leave her now.
Which kind of pikin be this?
She's a child.
No call this one child though. This one past child. This one na pikin. This one na adult. This one na human being. This one na Zuma Rock. This girl na Zuma Rock. You don't want to see that this girl is not a small pikin. She don't dey do this one oh. You're here saying she's a small pikin. Yes now.
Please.
Anyway, I don't want
with this place. She has bought another one.
That is why I'm see. Forget this plate. Come, make you give me that thing while they beg you. Sister Beanu, come.
7,000.
Hey, once they just pay me, you go take them.
If I don't have much,
Come and give me now. That time when you asked me for cake, did I say I did not have much? Is it not the one I was supposed to use to go and buy corn and be selling that I gave you?
Yeah, but you're not paying for school.
You've forgotten, Abi.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Let me give you.
Hey, come, let us go. You see, it wants to rain before you go.
Okay, let me just pack this plate now.
Leave plate now. Is it that you cannot see me or what? Eh? This rat. Open this gate.
Scholar.
Papa.
Who dare not forget? Open gate now.
Okay.
Open this gate now.
Madam, get out.
Wait. Now me you dey tell make I get out. See, if I lay my hands on you, I swear your local government chairman will not even recognize you. Are you making me video? Are you stupid? Open this gate. I say open this gate.
They mad.
Whether I dey mad,
This man dey crazy.
I go tell you say na you dey mad. I swear, that's what I will hit you. If I hit you, you see this your face. Na video you dey make me. Open this gate.
Scholar.
This gate is stupid though.
Who the
I'm
open the gate
coming.
now?
You're coming.
Come, what did happen?
Hey. Oh my God.
I don't open the fire. She no want enter. I say make her lock am now. She no want enter.
Oh my God. Oh my God. You see you? You
Wait.
don't tell me
You want beat me for my
you see
front.
you?
You want beat me for my front.
You see this
Wetin
your
you go do?
I swear, the day I go deal with that, your local government chairman no go recognize you. Now me they do like this.
You don't do. I say you don't do.
Now me they do like this.
You don't do.
I'll show you. No, don't worry. I will deal with you in this house.
You don't do.
You will know why they call me baby na uwelele. Did you hear me?
Baby, not well, Biko.
Baby na kule bubu.
Leave me!
You don't do.
Hey!
I beg
Leave baby na uwelele.
Don't do.
I will tell you ni bonyala. Leave me!
You don't do.
See, leave me.
I say don't do now.
Leave me!
You don't do.
You're running!
Small pikin.
No, you're running!
Now small pikin. Now
You see that her mouth? I will break it. You know how they used to break her mouth? Piwaya! I will make sure that I break your mouth.
This you will take chop it if you break her. Leave her. I said look you leave her.
It concern me. When she dey insult me, you don't know. You see you. Don't worry. Let your mouth be running like typewriter.
That's it.
I will deal with you. Idiot, you don't have respect. Common respect you don't have. Small girl, you be doing anyhow, be talking anyhow. I don't have respect. I will show you, Pepe. I will tell you that my name na baby na well.
Hey, show it na, show it. Eating pataka.
Hey, don't do.
See that stupid girl wey keep face like chicken wey don expire. But don't worry, I will deal with her. She will Onyembuna. Oh, your dick is working for me. Your dick, Papa. Your dick is working for me, Okwaya.
Hey! Prostituta! Tifa! Hey! Mbenuku! Hey! Close my mouth and say what happened. See what you went to go on that room. Hey! dey? Make you come see wetin I dey tell you say I dey see.
What is it?
See, Lotta, come. Where
Yes.
she go? She don't even go inside.
What is it?
She won't go that side. I see am. You see wetin she buy. And you don't say she don't go buy her own mini skirt. Because that's what that time I tell her say she take my own. She don't go buy her own. You see what she wear like this. It makes me make her see inna her bum bum. I'm telling you.
I don't understand. What's the problem exactly?
You don't understand. She wear something wey dey like this. Wear benuku. Wear only singlets. They go a guy home.
Wetin happen? Wetin be the problem? Because the last time I checked, it's not like she's a reverend sister. Even if she won't wear something wey dey short, no wahala. If Oga na young man, we dey talk all these things, I go say, okay, na there problem dey.
No, you never still get me. Like, see me for example now. I be for a job. I can't come out from my room. Come wear like this.
Hello? Yes, sir. Okay, sir. You see what I did? You see what you did, cause Oga don't hear you now. I begin go. Begin go.
See, Lotta, you know don't understand. If person dey comot your hand for fire, you know they gree. As I dey shout, now she run.
Go.
If she know say she be pure good person, why she come dey run?
Scholar.
Oh, you know they see with this person they see. Person go they see something they tell you no go see am.
My friend, will you go?
Please tell her not to play inside my house.
Okay, sir.
She has the compound to play with.
Okay, sir.
Go. You may leave.
Thank you, sir. Is this not the same informer Scholar said was wearing miniskirt? Scholar. Very mischievous girl. Ify, Mama, are you still angry? Ify, Olelele, I've missed you now. Stop frowning. Stop frowning. It's okay. You like to be angry all the time. Ify, as I'm going to school, my exams are fast approaching and I need to study because I've just been so busy and I've not been reading. That means I'm not coming back on time today. You have to take care of Oga. You know how we used to do it in the night? You make sure he eats and then he will use the bathroom before bedtime. That way he will not disturb you at midnight. Do you hear? Or you still the verse. Ify, Mama. Ify, Mama. Hey! Ify, Olelele. Ify.
I don't hear.
It's okay now. Smile.
I don't hear. Oh, make it dey go.
I'll see you when I come back. Oh? See you.
Welele, kill you dear. See, Welele, kill you dear. Don't worry. Be making your own plans. I have my plans. By the time I'm done, your name Gabo Nyumbu na Welele. You never see anything.
doing this with me, whatever you want, say it. I will give it to you. You've killed me. If you continue doing this with me, whatever you want, say it. I will give it to you.
Oga has given me assurance. Luther, wait for me. You can never be bigger than me. Oga, it is sweet. If you wanna win.
It's down 2 meats.
Put one more for me. I want more meat. You also like meat.
I should put 1 more meat for you. When you have 2 here.
Now one more.
Saying that nonsense.
But this...
Add what? No, add what? What is going on here? Oh, wait. Oh.
What is it?
You even have 2 meats and you're asking for 1 more. How much do you used to make here? No, how much do you used to bring for food in this house? You must be very stupid. Now, Luther, you're here giving her more than 1 meat.
Ifoma, what are you wearing?
And what does it look like I'm wearing?
Why are you not on your maid apron?
Oh, you think say me and you will be the same level? I am not a maid. You don't get it that I'm not a maid. I'm not in your level. You're born to be here. I am not born to be here. I'm born to be in the paradise. Did you hear me? Now, listen to me. You see these 2 meats where you put for here? Come on. Pack the ones where they for pots. My baby wants 6. Me, I want 10.
Your baby?
Yes, so bring it upstairs. We are very hungry.
Who am I serving? Who is your baby? Because I know Papa Scholar is married.
So you don't know my baby?
I don't.
You go know I'm very soon when you carry the food come. So bring all the meat where they there. Bring and come up for me and my baby. Yeah?
Oga?
So pack. Is Oga Madam I'm calling baby? No, you will know only Ashre. Ashre Bakute. Is Oga Madam I'm calling baby? See, don't do that with me. Oh. Levels has changed. Oh. No trial. So just pack all those meat and bring it. If I'm talking, stop eating. Before I pinch this your mouth, look at her mouth that look like somebody that is eating 3 meat. I don't blame you. Wanza. Guinea fowl. Be fast, oh. Let me, don't waste time, oh. Ha.
Scholar. Who did she call baby? And did you see what she's wearing?
When I be they tell you, what you they always talk? You say make I remind my business. Okay, now I go show you what my business mean. Make I drink water, mind my business. I don't mind my business.
It's sweet, I mean.
You're a bad girl.
I know.
But you'll not kill me. You'll not kill me for my mama.
Why would I kill you now? Are you not my baby? Mo baby, mo baby, mo. Baby, don't worry. this kind of enjoyment now what you need every day. Make it they last long. You know, say when you know they come out that thing, you go they pile up.
Maybe it will contribute to my
It's very possible. Oh. Maybe now why you know even waka since the way then they treat you, but now you go waka. Thank God, I go make you waka. You gonna say me I do yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This thing they put me under tension. What they go on?
Nothing they go on. Okay. Now until she go back or guy head. As what be that woman named Delilah. Delilah take Bab Samson. Now so now I go just open.
Hey.
Nah, so they talk on not even listen. No say what now they talk what that not true on a lie.
Scholar. Wait. If we go begin find work now, work no day anyway. We are work day. You see, I won't make you the day very polite with the girl. Make you the respect her.
Yeah, so that they polite devil. You go they cast and bind them. No be to the day polite. If you dey polite, you go to say all of them are the same. Say you dey even fear am. But if you open you go no say too often and know what's up. You know?
But anyhow, make you the I don't want to make the circus. Work no day. Yeah, we'll go find work. No, don't understand what I talk.
Believe that as far as I did this, I was to be happy. Nothing sure. Yeah, that one.
Oh.
What are you doing?
And what does it look like I'm doing? Can't you just mind your business?
No. If I look at what you're wearing, we're not supposed to dress like this. You're supposed to wear your maid apron.
Oh, news flash. You think I'm a maid? I am not a maid like you. We're not in the same class. So you are meant to be wearing apron, not me.
Scholar said it. Ify, I hate to admit, but actually Scholar was right. You see, if you don't change what you're wearing, I am going inside that room to go and report you to Oga.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Should I give you transport? No, let me give you transport now. Report card. Go and report. You see you and that witch, that rat, Scholar, that will never win scholarship in this life. You people should mind your business and leave me the hell alone.
I'm going to tell Oga. Sir, honestly, her dressing is not appropriate. We need to maintain decorum in this place. Disorder will take over if we don't. You need to have seen what she was wearing, sir.
Lothar.
Sir.
Why don't you mind your business? I saw what she was wearing and I like it.
Sir, I am not sure you saw what she was wearing. What she was wearing was not good. I know if you had seen what she was wearing, there is no way you will not complain.
There's nothing wrong with her dressing.
Sir, I don't think you understand what I'm talking about.
Oh, because I am not putting my eyeglasses, you thought I didn't see her well.
No, sir. If you see what she's wearing, I am very sure that you will not like it. If you want, I can go and call her so you can see the kind of clothes she's wearing. I'm not sure you saw. You actually saw what she was wearing. What she was wearing.
Later, I saw her and I saw her dressing. I was even thinking of you upgrading your dressing, your dress code like hers.
Sir, no, I like my uniform. I like my. This is. I'm not forcing her to wear uniform, sir. But I'm just saying that there are certain things that one should not put on, especially at one's place of work.
I think I am done with this issue. You may leave.
Sir?
You may leave.
Sir, I'm not sure you saw what she was wearing. If you had seen what she was wearing, I'm very sure you will not ask me. If you want, I can call her. So I can call her so you can see what she was putting on.
Lota, I said I saw what she was putting on. Go. Leave my room.
Sir, I'm not sure you actually saw what she was putting on because nobody in their right
Lota,
sense...
leave my room.
Sorry, sir. Sir, if I can call her,
I love her dressing, and you stop dressing like Mbeke. Leave my room.
Thank you, sir. It's only because of decorum. Decorum. Sorry, sir. I complained so much to Oga, but he was not listening to me. I tried to make him understand how short what she was wearing is, and he suggested I even dress like her.
Also? Dress like her?
But I don't talk am. I don't talk am. I talk this thing on time. I talk am. I talk am say this girl don't use jazz. Oga.
Oh, wait. What be jazz? No, what do you know about jazz?
Like jazz na?
Jazz, what be jazz? I dey ask you, what be jazz? Where did Ogwagwara come from to enter in this? Where did jazz enter here now? What's Ogwagwara? What's teaching you all this nonsense? No, they teach you. Jazz, Ogwagwara. Hey!
I know it's not the talk. No wahala.
Wait, what you will do? No mind scholar. Just say her imagination according to you, they run wide. On the wide, very wide. Yeah. So what you go do be say, we will just sit down and look at. No, just wait, observe. They don't observe well, eh? We go watch. They don't watch anything where we see. Now we go know. See that.
I don't understand. Papa, you try to make you watch. You go observe, relax, watch. As vigilante where you be, I mean, this your dress, this your uniform, don't they confuse you. No be vigilante, or get man we be.
No.
See, my own suggestion, no. If I'm to suggest afterward what we are saying about, I'm telling you, what we will do now is let's kidnap her and dump her in a refuge band. I'm telling you.
Scholar.
Ha!
Papa Scholar, I'm inside. Please let me answer.
No, not be that kind of kidnap. No be say we go kill am. The kidnap one, they like maybe we go tie her leg, tie her face, and go drop on one place. You don't understand?
Wait,
Papa Scholar, I'm inside. Oh, seems like a guy is calling me.
Okay,
I know deal.
We'll talk later.
I know
Stay
say like
inside.
this line. As you kidnap am, we fit even tell Oga say make him bring 1 million. Say if he bring 1 million, we go release am. We go make money like that too.
Oh, yeah, who did this to me?
Nobody. Now wisdom do am for me. Now wisdom.
Wait, Scholar. You talk of kidnap. You talk of charm. You talk of what? How from where this is enter your head?
Wisdom woman. You choke. I'm telling you, we go use and make better money.
I don't finish.
How you see the idea?
I don't finish.
You know good.
I don't finish.
Lota,
Yes, sir.
I want to make this open and clear. Ifeoma here is my woman. So do all that she asks you to do. As you can see, since she came in here, I know no sadness. As a matter of fact, I am free from all pains. So respect her and do all that she asks you to do. Did you understand all I said?
Okay, sir.
Good.
So, I'll be going now and I'm late for my exams.
Lota, come back here. See. Cancel that exam. You're not going anywhere.
Excuse me? What do you mean by... sir?
Are you mad? How dare you talk to my woman like that? Eh? She said you are not going for any exam, and that is final.
Sir, but you've always supported me going to school.
Shut up. Get out and blend some juice for her.
Baby, Mo, I don't want juice. I want which one be that one where you do for baby Mo? Baby smoothie. I want smoothie.
You heard her.
Make it.
You heard her. So go and prepare a smoothie for her.
I don't want the one where bitter or like bitter leaf. Make it sweet well. Put milk.
Good.
Sir, why would you let...
Lota,
Sir?
drop your files there in your bag and go and blend smoothie for her.
Sir, you've always asked me to go to school. Why would you stop me all of a sudden?
Shut up and go and do as she said.
Ifeoma. Sir, Ifeoma.
We go in. I need my energy and my power to come back. And you dey here, they make noise.
Sir.
Don't sir me. Go and bring smoothie for her.
Sir.
Drop your file in your bag.
Sir.
Put things wey go dey sweet am. Don't make am bitter leaf smoothie. That type way they do for am. Do for me. Make my
Don't
power
sir me. Go and do as I said.
Sir, you... Ifeoma.
Have you gone nuts?
You don't even know this girl. So she dey like to argue.
That's
argue,
all right,
argue.
darling. That's all right.
Baby, let us sleep. Let this AC be blowing us abeg.
Please. Please don't do this. My exams are in 30 minutes time. Please.
I've given you go ahead now. You can go. But you see, once you pass this door, cross that gate, just say bye-bye to this your job. Because you know go come back here, don't sack you with that.
Please, now why are you doing this to me? You are my best friend. Why are you doing this? Hey, why are you doing this? Oga is not against me going to school now. Oga is in support of me going to school. Please.
Go now. See me see trouble. Go to school now. Shebi Oga is in support. I will tell you that I'm me. I'm Oga Madam. Now waiting I talk, now waiting you go do. If you come out, bye-bye.
If you already studied for this exam, I did not sleep last night. Please. I'm not going to school for only me. You are my friend. If things are good for me, things will be good for you too. Please now.
Look at who is talking. I shook one house. Just look at who is talking. How many years you done this school? 3 years. How many years you done they live for here? You dey here, they enjoy since they go school. Did you call me? If not be say, I gather mind, carry my bag, they come this place. You go remember say I dey? You go remember? You can't say they go school for me. Now you they go school for only yourself. Oh. You know they go for me and you.
Why
so
are you
come out to
talking
me.
like this? Hey, why are you talking like this? I already told you. Oga has issues with his health and I was so busy. I was carried away. It's not like I forgot you. Please.
Go now.
If you don't do this.
I don't know why you are an enemy of progress.
I'm your best friend.
Don't they talk that kind of best friend thing? If they pay me. Anytime when you see me say, hey, if you don't they enjoy. Now that time you go carry your problem come. This apple now where they chop, make I chop and finish. You know go green me. Make you go kitchen, go cook for me now. This apple na appetizer. So by the time I finish this appetizer, I need to chop another one. I go chop food, I go come drink pepper soup on top. You go come here, come to disturb me, you won't go school. Only you they go school. Eh? Cambridge.
Fear, I'm your best friend now. Why are you doing this? Please. Let me just go, please.
You're a very stupid girl. I don't give you permission, say make you go. Make you know, say you don't lose your job. You know how hard say job day now. You know if you get any job. Go now.
Your guy is in support of me going to school. Why are you doing this now? Please. I'm your best friend. Please. Ifeoma, no, now don't do this now. Let me go, please.
Don't allow me to push you.
Please.
Don't allow me. Leave me. Now anytime I'm enjoying myself, that is when you carry your one jam come and disturb me. Which kind of person be this?
Please, Ify, please.
Whether they tie our kids in Syria.
Please.
Yes or no?
Please, don't do
Yes or no? Leave me. Eh? Fools. Mad people in this house. Eh? See how they've just finished everything. Fools.
Where are you taking all these things to?
Question and answer. See, let me tell you. Eh? You see, from today, no more food for you in this house.
I don't understand. What does that mean? Where are you taking the food stuff to? Because these are... what are you saying? These are the food stuff we have in the house now. Why?
Let me make it very clear. You see, from today, any day you're hungry and you want to eat food, shey they pay you salary.
Yes.
Your earning salary, Abi?
Yes.
You take money from that your salary and go and buy food that you will eat.
Says
no
who?
more cooking in this house.
Says who?
Any food that will be made here, I will do it for my
Says
baby.
who?
Says me, madam.
I don't understand. We've always been cooking here.
See, don't try me.
Oh, if
see, don't try me.
Ifeoma.
Lota,
Ifeoma.
See, I'm not joking with you.
Ifeoma.
I don't blame you. Say they call me Ifeoma, you don't get respect. Ifeoma, your mouth, they want Ifeoma. You're supposed to be calling me madam.
What's the apple here?
What does it look like?
We've always been eating in this house. We've always been eating here. Why do you want me to be buying food now when there are things here?
Okay. You that is asking, what is happening here? Ashre Wakute. I'm a boy, number one. Now let me make it very clear to you. You see, from today, no food for you. Oh. That's your father. Oh. This one where they here. No food. You dey hear me?
I joke, Abi, because I know they like joke with food. I don't like.
Why they go use food to joke for you now? Now because it's too much of food. Now why you dey like this? Every day you go dey find what you dey chop. After chopping, you go open your eye. You go dey insult somebody. You no get respect. Make I see any.
It will be something now. Go open it up and now pull your eyes.
It's okay, Scholar. Always do.
Now your madam, you dey talk to like that. I don't have anything to say to you. Now tomorrow. Tomorrow you go know the plans I get for you. Tomorrow you go know the plans I get for you. See, Lota.
Oh, Ifeoma, I don't like what you are doing.
Lota, don't annoy me. Oh, are you crazy? Don't annoy me. Don't try it. I will show you pepper this way.
You see what you are doing now?
Think I'm joking?
You see what you are doing? I don't like what you are doing.
Baby, move.
I brought food for you. It's for you and your daddy.
Papa, come chop food. Food don't land. Oh.
Papa Scholar, good afternoon, sir. I brought food.
She buy food for us.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
It's fine. It's okay.
Thank you for dog.
It's okay.
She be, you know, the better person. God go punish him.
Better.
Sir.
Thank you, yeah?
No problem.
God go bless you with a very good husband.
Amen.
He go buy private jet for you.
Amen.
And you go give am twin every year for 5 years.
Amen.
Child, God bless you, yeah?
Thank you,
You're a
sir.
very good girl.
God bless you.
Thank you. Oh, amen.
Oh, I don't know whether they could pay salary. The little money I get, I don't carry am send. Person where they take care of my wife.
Hi.
I don't get one. She pain the cockroach.
I understand. I understand.
God will go punish you for job. You
It's
see.
okay.
How come they even think again? You know, they use their brain think.
It's okay. I understand. I will try to talk to Oga. Hopefully he listens. Oh?
I beg, help me talk to her.
No problems, I will. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's fine.
No chop now.
I'll bring water.
Now waiting the apple for year. Now waiting the apple for year. Now food you dey chop. So I give instruction, you go carry food.
That's it now.
You dey mad? You dey mad?
If I bought this food.
With which money? Whose money you buy the food with? No be my baby's money be this food where you go buy.
I bought this food with my salary. What are you saying?
Who they pay you salary? My baby. Baby Mo is the one paying you salary. You're very stupid. Now, I always tell you, every day for the thief, one day for the owner. Today, now my turn. You and your father go in there, pack your things, and leave this house.
Why?
You have been fired.
Why? Who said so? Why?
You're questioning me. I am the owner of this empire, the madam of this empire. And when I give instruction, they obey it.
Give me this food. You're not going to like me.
See, Lota, avoid me.
I bought this food now. What are you saying? I bought this food for them now. What is it?
Lota, avoid me. You know how I used to beat you in the village. If I beat you finish, I'll put your mouth in the dirty water. You'll be drinking it. Don't allow me to beat you now. We'll see this bin. You dey outside. If I slap you, see, mother can't see. Respect yourself. Oh yeah, handle it.
You don't give us money, where we go use go? We don't get shishi here.
If you consign me, whether you get money or you no get money or you use your
In fact, where we not say where they go safe?
Where would they go to? Oga employ them. Where do you want them to go to?
Psychia day now. Psychia home day. Motherless baby home, he day. Every other home, he day. Make una go there, go sleep. Oh yeah, go inside, go carry your things. They come up for here.
I don't like what you're doing. I don't like what you're doing.
Avoid me, oh.
If I face me and leave them, I don't like what you are doing.
Why will I face you? You face me and face you. You're too small for me to face you. Come off for road. Just come off for road.
Oh, Baba,
oh, you get mad to the top.
What is it now?
I tell you, say, every day now for the thief, one day now for the owner. And today, the owner of this empire, this household, I am here to give instruction. Now, you two are sacked. If you like, go inside the dustbin and leave. Oh. If you like, go to Kirikiri. Oh. Anywhere you want go leave, you know, consign me. Now my house with this. Carry your seat, come out from here. Oh. Remove the uniform and come out. You see,
you are not going anywhere, sir. Don't worry, I'm coming. He's not going anywhere. Are you the one that employed them? Why are you chasing them away?
Okay, now I see you want to leave too.
How?
I see you want to leave. Get out of my way.
I'm going to report to
I said pack your things and leave.
I'm going to tell Oga.
Oh yes.
Papa's call, I'm coming.
You see they look me. If I they talk, they look me. Now that one they pay me. Come on this thing where you they wear. No be your clothes. Now my baby.
Big man.
Na him buy am.
Oga!
They come out your shirt now. They look me.
Oga!
Come here, you two. Come here.
Oga!
Now today.
Oga!
Sir, please, I'm begging you. Please. Have mercy. Have mercy on Mr. Obi and his child, please. Sir. Sir. Please.
So you want me to listen to you against my woman? The only woman that accepted me the way I am. Eh? Now let me ask you. Can you satisfy my sexual needs? Answer me.
No, sir. Sir, you are like a father to me.
You say what? Who is like a father to you? Do I look like your father? Yes, I might be on wheelchair, but I am still gallant downstairs. Don't mind the body, but mind the engine. Eh? If we start to do it, if he test father, I will remove it. But if he test sweet, we continue. How can you say that? I'm not your father. Why must you say something like that?
Please. Not Mr. Obi and his child, please. His wife is sick.
That reminds me. I was even told that you both connived and he traveled at will without my consent. Right? What is no? I even heard that you sell and mismanage my food. No, sir. No, sir. Now tell me, how many times did you sell my food?
I did not sell your food.
You sold my food?
No, sir, I never sold your food.
Oh. You are now shouting at me.
Sorry, sir.
Lota? So it has gotten to a point that you shout back at me.
Please, I'm begging you, please.
Now listen to me. Listen to me. Since you are not willing to take care of me, like Ifoma, allow her to continue to take care of me. If you want to counter her, then you know what to do. Just go there. Bolt the door and come back. You take charge.
Sir, please. Sir, please, I beg you, sir, please.
This my leg you are touching. Okay, your thought is there. No. Very, very sensational. As you are touching it, it's vibrating my decog. Do the needful. Lock the door. Come back.
Sorry, sir. Sir, please. Sir.
Yeah, lock the door and come back now. Just lock the door.
Sir, please.
Lota?
Sir.
I say you should bolt the door and you are opening the door. Where are you going?
Sir, you are like a father to me.
Stop that. Lota, close the door and come back.
Oh, sir. Sorry.
Oh, you want to leave?
Sir, please.
So you have the mind to leave?
Sir, sorry.
Okay then. So she has this kind of heart.
Can beg, Abi? You can beg today. Oh yeah, leave this place. Stupid people. It's yours. I'll show you. This is my house. Wait. Is this not my baby's bag? Because you know go fit buy designer. But make I pity you. Keep going. Leave. I said leave this place, oh. Hey. Thinking, reckless people everywhere. Take your car. This thing is the only. Also, they move. You're dead today. You're dead. I will kill you today. I will kill you. Mad people! I told them I would deal with them. They thought it's me. Oh, they're... Hi! This nonsense, useless... Fools! Let me see you come inside there. Just one thing, I'm leaving this bag because it's my baby's bag. Baby, mo! All the witchy people. Holy Ghost fire. All the things that they came here with, Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire. Which one be this one? Hey, now that cap. Hey, this one na my own. Make I even wear this cap. Make I see wetin. So now this thing they make that girl they do. They talk to me anyhow. Make I wear it. Make she know say that me, the baby na wear it. Hey, I go even chop food. Hey, I tell her. Make I just keep quiet. That stupid Lota. And that place she go sleep today. That stupid girl. Get mouth so. Witchy, they talk to me. Hey. No wahala. Make I see you people for this house again. Make I go enjoy myself. Hey, paradise in me. Yeah. Hey, if you wanna I am a winner in the Lord Jesus.
No. Beckham, my queen. They pay me inside my bone. So I no fit give you within you. What I supposed give you? Kind of life what I supposed give you. As this I suppose package you away, send you overseas. With all the brain where you get. Aye. Oh, hey.
No be your fault now. No be your fault. No, don't hear that one. No be your fault. My mom be say, hey, I think we'll say before we come up for that place, say I bite that girl. I beat her. I do have something. Now that the thing where they give me joy. But if you say I bite her hand, come up for her body, I swear, I go happy more than this.
Yes. You see?
Go dey person house, they chopping shit. It's still, you know, go appreciate them.
You see why I call you my mother? Now so my mother they do. God, you be who you be to cross her path. She go tear you. Who you be? Then make I say now you my mama will come. But no worry. Tomorrow morning I go come out. I will go find work. Yes. I will find another work. God go help me. I will go work. I will take care of you, yeah?
We also thanks to Lota because this no be she. That mumu for don't deal with us.
She try you, Lota. Anyway, I don't bless you. God will give you better husband. And we go buy, in fact, you go buy private jet for you. You go they give am twin every year for 5 years. Children go full house, money go brekete. Private jet, money go there. So when I come, I go balance, drink my beer.
Hello? Where you they go?
I dey go school.
You said? My dear, you're not going anywhere. You're not going. I say you're not going anywhere. Is it that you're not hearing English? Or am I speaking Swahili? You're not going anywhere.
Ifeoma, I already mixed 3 papers. I've already missed 3 exams. I can't afford to be having carryover, please.
Then come and go. See, Lota Chuku, or whatever you call yourself. Lota is an animal place of things. That is what you are. And let me tell you, if you step your feet outside this house, tell yourself bye-bye. You see this fine house? Tell yourself bye-bye. Tell your salary bye-bye. Nothing where you go get for this house. You didn't hear me waiting, I tell you. You're very stupid. You're going to write exam, but only you. Also, so give me the make go out. Allah watch again. Thunder fire you dear.
Ify, please, for the sake of our friendship, please allow me to go and write this exam, please.
What did you say? Friendship. Don't see me as your friend, though. I am not your friend, though. See, if you're seeing me as your friend, you're wasting your time. I have never been your friend. I will never be your friend. And I will never in my life and in another generation be your friend. You're not my friend. I'm not seeing you like one. Oh. That I even came close to you in that our village is because I want to know. Let me know what is beating drum for you.
I know you are saying all
Everything.
this out of anger.
Which
You
anger?
don't mean it.
I am saying the truth. You say anger. That is your problem. You don't like to listen to the truth. Good. Truth is biting you in your ear. That is your problem. I am not your friend. You see that 5,000 that I gave you? I gave you so that you will leave the village for me. Yes. Why is it that every good thing that is happening is Lota? All the fine boys in the village is Lota. So I gave you that money so that you will leave JJ. Let that my Obim see me. That was why I gave you that 5,000 naira. So that you can go to the city. Yes. Because I know that if you go, at least the boy go look my way now. See I be fine girl. You know? See my shape. See my breast. You see everything. Igenge. But what did I get? You left. You carry all the good luck come out. The boy why I think say go they look my way. Still go they follow everything where they for skirt. The boy they there. Everything also they go skirt from skirt. But when he there with you, he follow anybody where they skirt. He even look my way. So why is it you that every good thing is coming for? I ask you. You want to be better than me? Okwala again. And I'm no now. You see this big house? I am now your madam. Bow down before I match you now. Bow down because this house now belongs to me. Now me be madam. So if you try me in this house, I will show you. You can never be better than me. Did you hear me? You can never be better than me. I am your madam. Idiot. But come and go to school. You want to go to school? Amaka mi yen and ne will be on the oburo yala.
So hold on. So you gave me the 5,000 because you wanted to be.
So now question and answer will be answer. No, I don't turn to that question paper where you won't go answer for school.
Hey.
Ask me again. I will repeat it again and answer you. My friend, go upstairs and go and make
Mama,
something.
I am going to write my exam.
Go. See, I swear, go. Come back now. Just make sure that you're going. That is going forever or fire. You are fired because you can never enter this house. You want to dare me to go and write the exam as what now? Hey, Lota Chuku. Lota, Lota, but don't worry. I will show you why they call me baby Napuwele. Come back to this house. I will show you. Fire started though. Fire. Everything that walk.
Why did you bring out my bag now? Why did you bring out my bag?
And where do you think you're going? Are you crazy? When you see your bag outside, what is that supposed to tell you? That you're supposed to be leaving this place now? Are you stupid? Now pack your things and leave here.
Why are you like this now? Why did you bring out my things?
Lotachuku, for your information, you are no longer needed here. You don't have a place in this place. Pack your things, go back to the village. You know where you belong. With those your stupid prostitute or boyfriends where they village. Go there and go and meet them all. You see this house? You no go enter me and you.
You are my friend. You are my friend. Why are you doing this?
That's the one that used to pay me. That's the one that always gets me angry. I've told you countless times, I am not your friend. I am not your friend. Carry your things and leave this place. And I forgot to tell you. There is no salary for you.
No salary?
Yes.
Why?
You're asking why? When you disobeyed me, you don't know.
No, now Oga will not allow it. No.
Oh, I told baby Mu. I told him. I said, you disobeyed my orders. And he asked me to take your salary. So your salary is gone. Now take your bag and leave this
Oga
place.
cannot say it. Oga cannot. Wait, let me go and ask him. Oga cannot say.
As if I'm being too nice. Carry this thing and leave this place now.
Please, why are you doing? Okay, let me go and take my. Fine. Yeah, remember you collected 7,000 from me that time. Please, can you give me back the money, please?
Hey, I collected 7,000 from you.
Yes.
So you can remember. Oh yeah, now give me that my 5,000 you collected from me when you were leaving the village.
Hey, if you don't do this now, don't.
This girl think get out of this place. Now you're giving me high BP. I'll push you.
I'm your friend. Don't do this.
Don't tell me I'm your friend. I will push you.
Please. Please now.
If you wake baby up, you're in trouble. Get out.
Please, Ify, please now. Ify, please.
Get out of this place.
Ify. Let me go and carry my bag. Please.
Which bag? Did you keep any bag here? I don't understand.
Please now, my things are inside. These are not the only bags I have now. Why are you doing this?
Just for the sake of old time, oh. Just for old time's sake. I'm giving you just 3 seconds. If you pass, you don't come out here. Come here. Come here. First of all, give me this one, your hold.
No. Ify, please.
Okay. Just 3 seconds. See her. I have bag. This is not my only bag. As if she's making me natch. Or Tiwa Savage, I used to travel with 10 boxes. Hold on. Tim! Where are you?
Sir, please. Sir, please, you cannot allow her to do this, please, sir.
Sorry, I will call you back. I have some emergency to attend to.
Sir, she said you should... I don't know what she's saying, sir. She brought my things to the gate and she said you're not going to pay me.
Is that why you interrupted my call?
Sorry, sir. Sir, please don't let her do this, please. Please, I have worked for you all these years. Please. She took my things outside. She said you're not going to pay me.
I'm sorry, I have no option. Though it hurts, but she takes good care of me. She touches me in special places. And of course, my needs first. Except if you can do what she used to do for me. Meanwhile, I think seems like there's a blockage. One of my
Sir, we still at this topic again.
Please come and attend to my vein now.
Sir, I already told you are like my father. Sir, please. I have served you.
I said, come and help me massage this vein. I think there's a blockage here. Okay? Please help me massage.
Sir, please.
Hey.
Sir, please.
Sir! Jesus! Sir!
Now leave my presence.
Sir.
Leave my room.
Sir, please. Sir, please. Sir, please.
Leave my room.
Sir, please. Do this, Ify. Please don't do this. Ify, please. Ify, don't do this. Don't do this. Ify, please.
Hey, if you like, kneel down from 90 to 200 years. I will never allow you to enter this house.
Ify, I'm your friend though. Ify, I'm your friend. Ify, I'm your friend though. Ify,
get out too.
Ify, wait, let me tell you.
I will catapult your leg, oh. Like I will scatter you, oh.
Ify, I'm your friend now.
Get out of this place, which friend?
Ify, don't do this.
Hey, heaven and earth, hear my voice, oh. Heaven and earth, bear me witness, oh. By the time I give you 360 backhand, don't say I did not warn you. Get out of this. Leave us alone.
It's me.
Leave us alone now.
It's me.
It is me too, oh. Get out, oh.
It's me, please. I don't have anywhere to go.
Why they want for somebody get like that? Pure. Are you stupid? You dey mad? Like you dey crazy driver? You go call somebody. Turn the take water. Turn the fire you for there. You go call somebody else. They horn. Now your house with this. Don't try am. Get out.
Please.
Get out! This person is mad, oh. Get out now!
Please, now I'm begging you. Please, don't
push
do
you.
this. I don't
I'll
have
push
any
you.
other place to go.
What's going on here?
I'll scatter your face, oh.
What's happening?
Hey, don't even try it. Which one is it? Hey, please. What's happening here? If I finish dealing with those stupid people that are speaking accent, everywhere, accent, I'll come and deal with you. Don't try it. Get out of this place.
Excuse
Leave
me?
my house.
Who are you?
You don't know me. Now maybe informer. Baby na uwerele one. The owner, the madam of this house. That is who I am. Listen, I'll
The
slap
owner of
you.
this house.
You heard me.
Oh, this is my house.
Liar. Onyoshi house. I'm robber. That is who you are. How can you just come to somebody's house after honey? You come and speak for After for you come and say this is your house. Are you a criminal?
So you must be Luther, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, who's this clown in my house? What's she doing here?
Sir, your house?
Yes, I built this house. My father stays in here.
You are Sir Gabe's only son.
Yes, I am.
Good evening, sir. Good evening. When did you come back?
Is my father in?
Yes, sir. He's inside his room.
Come help me out with my bag.
Oh, okay,
Get this gate open, okay?
Okay, sir. Should I help with the bag or should...
Yeah, just help me with my bags in the trunk, yeah?
Okay, sir. Hey, welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
All right. Yeah, okay, just let me help you with this. Yeah, it's okay. It's all right. It's all right. Just look at it.
Sir, welcome.
Yeah.
Hey, sir, welcome. Hey.
Wait, you mean say baby no get this house?
You won't blame me, son. A man like me needs little loving.
Listen, Dad. I respect the fact that you found love, or whatever you call it. But mixing that with my business, mixing that with business, it ain't good. Now, she had no right, absolutely no right to fire my employees. Although I didn't get to see them in person, I called the firm that sent them here.
It's okay. No problem. We apologize.
Yeah. How about the gate man?
She sent him away.
You have his number?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. You call him and tell him I need him back.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. Hello? Papa Scholar. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Where are you? Oh, is it in this neighborhood? Hi. Mr. Eric, Oga's son is back and he says he wants to see you and your daughter. 2 days? Okay, no problem. I'll tell you. Okay. Hi. Oga, I've got him. Thank you,
Get
sir.
out! Leave my presence.
Thank you, sir. Hey.
No. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just stand up. Nah, it's all right. Just stand up. Stand up. It's okay. Stand up, sir. Please. Please don't do that. Please. Please don't have a seat.
Hey, thank you.
Hey, you good?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Hi, Lota. You good?
Sir, you need to say you be good man. Thank you so much. You be better person.
It's nothing.
You are Sisi Lota. When a kind person no do this word again, I'm telling you. Not good.
Scholar, right?
Yes, sir.
Lota must have been really kind, huh?
She not that kind, she be angel. You see, when that before just say we no go chop for this house,
Sorry, what do you mean by you photo?
now that one what they wear white now, do they do like say she no get sense. That one.
Okay.
You get that when she say we no go chop for this house. Now she go bring her money, say we must chop for this house, say we must chop. That before just say now she carry that before just come this house. She can't go her back, come the stab her. Can't even say she no go write exam. Person will carry and call house. Say if she write exam, she go sack and come up for this house. Can't do like madam.
That's interesting.
I'm telling you.
Good to know.
Very good to know. Yeah.
Is she in school?
I know, sir. Yeah, school can. Don't stop, money no day. One night I do get.
Well, if you ask me, I would say she's a brilliant mind.
Big brain. Yeah.
I want her to go back to school. I'll pay for it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay. Come on. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. Get up. Sit down. It's all right.
Sir, thank you.
Yeah, it's
Thank
okay.
you, sir.
Hey.
So I go
Cute
go back
chap.
to school.
Yeah.
Which school you want me to go?
I'm sure your dad can come up with something good.
Okay, no wahala, sir.
Anything else you need?
No, sir.
Move the go first.
That's good.
Okay, try it.
It's nothing. It's nothing. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, okay.
All right.
Sir.
No, it's okay, sir. It's okay.
She's so cute.
Okay, thank you.
Scholar.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Say
All right.
bye-bye. We sleep for the same house.
Thank you so much, sir. God
It's
bless
nothing.
you.
You want to have a seat?
No, it's fine, sir. Do you want me to get anything for you?
Water is fine.
Okay, what of fruit juice?
Nah, just water.
Okay, thank you, sir. I'm coming. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Even
Sir, I am so sorry I didn't blend the fruits before leaving. I had so much to do today. But I'll do it now, sir.
hold on. If I heard you right, you said you had so much to do today.
Yes, sir.
But how about the other staff? Ain't she helping with the chores?
Sir, let me just get your fruits, please.
Oh, wait. How about we go into the kitchen and make it together?
Sir?
I insist. Shall we?
No, sir. I can do it on my own.
Please.
Are you sure? Okay, sir. Sir, you don't have to worry.
Hey. She still wants to pass me after everything what I don't do. Hey, now she that young fine bobo want to marry. I be like him. Now you even get all this house. Now you even get all the money. I need like and where. What about me? Now this old man where in manhood don't expire. Hey! I don't suffer for this world. How I could take stop them now? How?
Yes, sir, you sent for me.
Please have a sit.
Sir?
Sit.
Okay, sir.
I do hope this doesn't sound awkward, but thing is, you know, I've traveled around the world, I've met different kinds of people, but you're, it's just something special about you. You're quite unique. Listen, Lota, believe me when I say I have met different kinds of women. I've got some good experience too, but I must say that you are incomparable. I hope I'm not being too forward, but I like you. I like you a lot. You're not just smart, you're intelligent, you're hardworking, but most especially, you're caring. I see how you take care of things around you and everyone. I would like to get to know you better. And let's see where it leads.
Who be that? Ah! My queen! Ah! My queen! Welcome. Leave the gate for me.
Thank you.
Hey.
Don't come back, oh.
Hey.
I don't come back.
How was your class?
Fine. My teacher no get sense.
Ah!
I dey tell you.
Which one is your teacher no get sense?
They teach us all this senior class thing. They teach us. I better tell them today now. We beat them black and blue.
Wait. Which one you beat your teacher for what now?
Is it the ask for what?
Sit down.
Make us sit down.
Sit down.
I better tell them now. No be person tell them.
Wetin make una beat your teacher?
See me, oh, Papa. She come dey teach us senior class thing. I don't understand. They ask me where is X, find X. I know where X is there. She writes X for board though. Come they ask me where is X. She say X plus 2 equals to where is X. I say I don't understand. Which one where I know like some people if they teach they go to carry person head they put up and down. They just put upside down.
Now make una beat teacher.
That will make it there aside because we don't even settle them first. Another thing what I want to tell you, Papa. After my uniform, I want to go back to my uniform.
Which uniform? School uniform? Which uniform is the top?
My uniform.
No. Just write that one. No, see. Okay. You know. Remember what Oga can tell you. You don't start extramural. Now extramural go graduate you to school. School go graduate you to university. University go graduate you to graduate. Then you go come out and become a big woman.
You know why they laugh? I just they laughing because you remember what I tell you that day? Say as you put me for school now, it to say you put me for school. I go school, graduate. If I can't ask me what I want be for future. If I can't tell you say I get 2 man, I want be. You go force me make I do another thing.
Go. You don't carry come again. What if you get 2 man? Wait. You go school finish, come you get 2 man. What bring get 2 man?
Get 2 man no be work. No be work you dey do.
I dey do because I no go school. Let's say I go school, go and what I want to carry get man do.
See, make I tell you because say you no go school, now you make you no understand this your work. Just allow me make I go school, study this get woman thing. As I study am, no be even get woman they go dey call me because nobody go get mouth to insult me. Wetin they go dey call me now? General officer to the gates. I'm telling you. Like hey! You know what is up.
Wait. Make I ask you. No vex.
You don't know.
Wait now, my queen. Hold on. Wetin you wan become as you dey go school now? Wetin be wetin you carry for mind?
I wan become general officer to the gate. It's shocking. See, if you learn well, nobody fit insult you. If you come this house, carry that my mpokoro, like that mpokoro at the hole. You carry them. If they look you finish, they go not say you go school. I'm telling you. They go give you certificate. See. No way.
Okay, sir.
How you doing?
All correct, sir. Well done, sir.
Well done, sir.
Well done.
All right.
When they come out, I mean?
Here we are.
Yeah, all correct, sir. Yes, sir. Hey.
Easy.
Yeah, nah. It's not good. Hey, I don't. Why this thing can't do like this?
Bye.
Yeah.
See you later. Buy something for me,
Goodbye.
Buy something for me,
Alright, sir. Yes, you.
Food day. You don't chop.
Wait, first, the talk of food. Wait. That's the way they talk. No, say, the thing is very important. So, that's the way they talk before.
What did they talk?
About the uniform. I know what.
Beg. Leave me. I don't make anything bite my ear. Leave me.
Oh! No, I born pikin. No say na pikin I born. But I love am now. My queen. Wait, Mike can't give you food, yeah?
Where is that stupid, useless old man? So this is where you are. You're not even ashamed of yourself. Look at him. So you don't get anything. Go. You can't they touch my body. They do me anyhow. They make me like that for this bed. You go turn me up and down. Nothing where you get. I think say now you get this place. Now you get the money. Now you get a house. So now you get everything. Nothing where you get. But make I tell you, you see, you go die. I go pray for you so there you go die. And if you die, na hellfire you dey go. If you don't know, make you know, you go hellfire. And when you reach there, I go tell the devil where they that hellfire, making they give you punishment. You know your punishment, you go they do flog job with this your leg. Every day 36. That is what you will do. Look at him, fool, mad thing.
Informer, you can't be referring to me.
Who else am I referring to? Okay, you're even wearing glasses. Who do you want me to refer to if not you? All my body you're busy doing people. You don't know. You don't get money. You can't sack anybody. No be you get house. All the amount who I don't they make it. I don't call everybody for village. They say I don't get a husband though. Everything don't show for me Say na me now be madam. Nothing where you get. If I'm my own, nothing where this man
You
get.
have the audacity to talk to me like this?
Oh, you want make I push you now make you die? You want make I push you now make you die? Stupid man. You see, if I knock this your head where they like mono, hi, you go not say my name, na Informer. You go not say they talk. I live in village. Leave my local government chairman when they do me come meet you for year. Say you get the money, you don't get anything. Shishi, you don't get it. So me, Informer 1 baby na one. I go back village and start from square one. God forbid. You know go happen. See you. Fool, bastard, fool. No entity, look at you. You don't get anything. They talk. You see, God go punish you for money, punish you for afternoon, punish you for night. Idiot, bomb, fool, animal.
This girl is evil. Come in.
Hey, Dad.
She's dangerous. She's heartless. She's leaving this house this night.
Wait. Dad, you want her out of this house tonight?
She's heartless. Cold-hearted. She's so cold-hearted.
Okay, Dad. I've heard you.
Jesus Christ. Jesus. Jesus.
One kill him.
Wickedness has nothing
I
to
talk as in a witch you be.
offer you. Evil has nothing to pay you. No man will ever escape the reward of his work. What you sow today is what you will reap. Be careful what you do. God is
will
out
bless you.
there watching.
stop it.
Be
Hey, Dad.
careful what you do.
She's with the cops now.
God is never
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Sir, please, I will excuse you guys.
Luther,
Yes, sir.
please wait.
Okay, sir.
Eric,
Dad?
you might think I don't know what is going on between you and Luther. But whatever it is,
Dad,
I want you to wife her. There is no time to waste.
What?
She's a good woman. She's a wife material.
Wait, Dad, is this you giving me your blessing?
Oh, yes. That's my fatherly blessings to you. Please move forward.
Dad, come on. You don't have to be so dramatic.
Come forward, please.
Oh, my days. Okay,
Please, on your knees.
Okay.
I must thank the Almighty for a day like this. Eric, I am happy for this day. Luther, give me your hand. Yeah. My happiness today is seeing both of you coming together, and I pray that your union will be greeted with love.
Amen. Amen.